I still this? I think I should stop this thing now. Are we dressed up? See our uncle. Hi guys. Okay. So I feel like it's been forever since I last vlogged. I didn't vlog at all yesterday. I didn't vlog at all yesterday. I hope this thing is okay. I didn't vlog at all yesterday because I wasn't in the mood. I was feeling quite sick. I don't know why. But yesterday was my dad's birthday. We went out. When we came back, her friend got him a cake. We did a mini celebration and stuff. We came back to we came to Asaba today. That was Imo State. So now we're in Asaba. We lodged in I think I should stop this thing now. We lodged in a hotel right now. We're going for a wedding tomorrow. After this, we're supposed to go back to Imo State, but it's like my mother is changing her mind now. I don't know. So we're going to see our uncles. We're going to see our village people. Basically, what you're saying, I don't know. We're going to see our village people, so that's all we're all dressed up for. We're going to see our uncle. Anyway, so I'm actually going to try and beg our parents to see if they can stop somewhere nice. I know, that's why we dressed up. So, see you guys later. We're back, and we had such a long day today. I'm actually so tired. We went to ShopRite to get some stuff. Then we went to see my uncle, my mom's uncle, and we went to see our cousins. Then we went to get something to eat. And now we're back in our hotel room. We saw our uncle, the one that did not want to keep our grandma's house, our grandparents' house. He don't take care of it, so we were staying in a hotel in my mommy's village. Anyway, so I'm just going to freshen up because I'm so tired. Try and upload that video. There's this video I've been trying to. Since the name was said, but there was no network, so I'll upload that. And just press my phone till I sleep off or whatever if it uploads in time. Then tomorrow is the wedding. Yay! I don't know how that's going to turn out. I feel it's going to be weird or one kind, but we'll see. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is the wedding, and I'm going to get all glammed up and take nice ass pictures because why the fuck not? So see you tomorrow. Yes. Okay, I haven't put one place yet. I'm dead. Okay. Now to apply. I look like a clown. Shall I use this lipstick? Just put highlighter and I'm done because it's village people I'm going to dress for like this. I'm actually just for pictures honestly. Can't kill myself. Woo, that's me, and it's kind of dark because the bottle that is this room. Put the wardrobe beside the window. So no. It's not as bad as I thought. I don't think that's entered. Which paper is this? What is all season? It's not even as bad as I expected.
Letting go, yeah, it isn't easy. Two hearts slowly breaking. Living the highs and lows, I'm keeping busy. Don't know if we were saving. Are we meant to be or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me if the world was ending? If the world was ending. It's getting late, wanna fade away into the ocean waves. I don't wanna stay carrying this weight that will never go away.
I'm not the only person this dog did not jump for ball.
Would you stay with me if the world was ending? Are we meant to be or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me if the world was ending?